I'm looking at the Fancii LED vanity makeup mirror. Let's open it up and set it up. It'll be my daughter that's using it and she'll give it a good test. I shall set it up. Cleaning cloth. That's the mirror base. So. It's magnetic, so it goes on the top and adjusts. Let's see, that's the magnetic mirror that goes on it. And there's some bits. So you've got the base there. There's a charge lead because it's got a charge port on it. So just have a look. I've got a film on it. Let's leave that on for a minute. Charge port in the back. There we go, it goes on there. Don't see my ugly mug. And this is a 10 times mirror. I see this just sticks on it. Oh, there we are. And there's the 3 settings. Let's just take this film off now. Oh, if I can get it off. Oh, there we are. Nice. That's it. There we go. The settings. And I'll come back with my review on it.